Alright guys, I got a 2016 Yukon Denali SLT. And every time we start it up, the air compressor runs forever and ever and ever. Air shocks are blown out. 5 years old. I got 2 Amazon specials. I paid 105 bucks. I'm sure it's all Chinese, but I guess if it lasts, 2 years. The OE's lasted 5. I guess I'm okay with that. Be spending $400 a piece if they work. As you can see, the stock ones are already rusted. They're rusted pretty good. I mean, the bolts are good. Why am I? There you go. The O-rings for the air line and the air valve are good. I disconnected this goofy little clip, just slid it back, pulled this little cover off first, and then pulled the hose out. Makes sense. And you can see it's rusty, so I didn't want to come out too well. The airbag blown out in a few different spots. I'll be able to give you a better view of it once we get it out. You could hear the air compressor. Once the air compressor kicked on, it just started blowing. Couldn't really tell where it was blowing. I thought it was a broken line. Look at this little guy. Got me a little friend right here. Anyway, a 21mm wrench. I've already done these before on 2016 Yukons, so here we go. Let's see that. That little guy right there is the other half of that. That will come into play here shortly. I'll show you. And then, I got another 21mm. So once I get the bottom off, I'll get the top. And then for the, they used to weld the tab or have tabs tack welded onto the nut. And then the bolt for the upper shock mount would be just loosen up. So because there's no tab on it, the upper bolt and nut just spin. So you got to have something to do. So I just cut that wrench right there and put that on the back side, which is the bolt head side, which you can get to. Let's see, right there. Okay, so you can see it pretty good right there. Now, right behind that shock mount is the head of the bolt. Now, let's see. I can turn that whole thing for you. Right there, ready? And the bolt turns with the nut. Turns with the nut. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna get this little guy. We're gonna do it right now. Screw it. I was gonna show you on the far side, but we're here. So maybe. up there now. Let's see. There you go. I was going to eliminate the compressor and get rid of the air shock altogether, but the wife's driving it, so, and I'll be in it. Everything else is standard gas shock that we have. I did eliminate the air shocks out of the Cadillac. Just because at the time it seemed like a good idea. And it was cheap, so. All right, let's see. There's my guy. Literally like no freaking room in there. All right, so there it is. Yay. Pain in the ass? Yes. Here's the sensor, in case you're curious. There's no sensors on the stock ones on this one. Some of them got them, some of them don't. Anyway, just because the sensor's there doesn't mean you have to use it. There's our tear. I don't know if it got hit by something or if it got blown out, or even though it's rusty, it wasn't leaking anywhere else. So here we go. Put in the new one. Stupid mosquito. it's raining. But we are in there like slimwear. And then this little clip dude right there, banging. One and done. Again, sensor. This car don't have it, so that's what it is. Decided to fire up the air compressor and hear it not running.